Welcome back to Life with Spirits. We're here at the Shell Factory, and we're going to be showing you some cocktails inspired by animals. That's why we're here. We're going to get some inspiration, and then we're going to teach you how to make a couple animal-inspired cocktails. As you see, we got a nice alligator right here. God, I got this on video. All right, guys, we just saw some animals. Now we're going to show you how to make 3 animal-inspired cocktails: the bee's knees, the lion tail, and my personal favorite, the rattlesnake. All right, now it's time to make the rattlesnake. We're going to start with 1 ounce of egg white, now we're going to give it a hard, dry shake. We're going to do 2 ounces of your favorite rye whiskey. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. We're going to shake all those ingredients over ice. We're going to pour it in a nice sour glass. Now we're going to flambe the dehydrated lemon. A nice spray of absinthe, and that's it. This is the rattlesnake.
Half ounce of Demerara, 3/4 of lime juice, 1/4 of allspice, 1/2 of your favorite bourbon, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Shake over ice. And voila! You have your delicious lion's tail. Cheers!
Okay, now for the bee's knees, we're going to start by boiling some hot water. We're going to add 1 part hot water or boiled water to 3 parts raw honey, and that's going to make our honey syrup. We're going to start out with 2.5 ounces of a London Dry gin, 3/4 ounce of our honey syrup. We're going to squeeze 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Give that a nice shake over ice. You're going to pour this into a martini or a coupe glass. And finally, I'm gonna garnish it with a piece of raw honeycomb. And there it is, the bee's knees.